Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to talk something new, something out of the box of technology or science or space and so in this video what we are going to see is basically the first thing is we are going to see about some products which is being launched in the market. So that is the thing which we are going to basically see here. So what is the thing here is first the main thing is these products has been launched very recently, like maybe like 7 to 10 days before. That's it. So the first product which comes here is basically for people who's interested in cars, like supercars. So that is the main thing. So here we are going to talk about a coffee maker, so which is being launched by Super Veloz. So that is the company which launched this coffee maker. So the coffee maker is named as Espresso Veloz RS Black Edition. So if you want to know more about this coffee maker, the first thing which we are going to know is about the company. So here the company Super Veloz is basically a company which manufactures tea and coffee makers, and it is located in South Africa, a place named as Danbury. I'm very sorry like for that pronunciation if I'm making some wrong regarding that. So the next thing is regarding the coffee maker. So here the company is brought the design by the Porsche. So I think so everyone know about Porsche. So by Porsche recent 6 engine 993 generation Porsche 911. So the engine which is available in Porsche 911 is made as a main design for this coffee maker Black Edition. So that is the main thing why I have told about this product in this video. So the main features is they have used all the products related to the car, like silicon steels or maybe aluminum alloys, titanium alloys, carbon fibers and so stainless steel. So it looks so good. And in addition to that, the company has given an open statement that they will manufacture only 993 products, since it is from 993 generation 911 Porsche. So that is the main thing. And in addition to that, the total weight of this coffee maker is around 21 kgs, so which is also okay. So if you take a normal coffee maker, it will be around like a 5 to 10. So here it is double, that's it. But the price is going to be so excited, and the next thing is it looks so fantastic. That is the main thing. So coming to its price, it is around like 11,000 US dollars. So in our price, it is around like 8.3 to 8.5 lakhs. So this is only for the coffee maker, and in addition to the first shipping charges, it will be around 9 lakhs. So if you are ready to spend 9 lakhs, then you're the boss. You will be having one among 993 coffee makers of Porsche 911 around this world. So if you want to order this, I'll put the link in the description where you can give an inquiry and you can start. If you want, you can order it. So in addition to that, why I'm talking about this thing in this video is basically this product is launched recently, but what is the thing is, the product is so good, and the company has made many new designs, like from Formula 1 cars, Royals. So there are many new features. So please go through their website and at least know like how they are just making those new innovations from a car engines. Because like what is the automobiles or like cars industry, supercars industry is so big, and it is so popular, and everyone is interested in buying those cars. So here they are just using that technology as a hook to use in their coffee makers. That is the primary thing. So that is the first product which is being launched recently in the market. So the next product which we are going to talk in the list is basically a smartphone. A smartwatch, so which is being launched by a company named as Noise. So the smartwatch is named as Noise Fit. So first we have to know about the company. So Noise is a company which primarily manufactures like wireless earbuds, wireless Bluetooth headphones and so now they have come up with the idea of smartwatch, that is Noise Fit. So basically talking about this smartwatch, it comes in 4 colors, like 2 blacks, red, brown and so that is so cool. And here the dial, so in the sense the look is basically in a round shape, so it looks similar to a normal watch. And in addition to that, the company has given 100 faces. So please, that's so good. So in the sense you can keep any different types of faces for your watches. And in addition to the talking about its specs, it comes with 1.8 inches and it comes with 240 into 240 pixel resolution, so that is also good. And the company has given an open statement that it can last battery for 20 days, since its battery is so good, that is like 30 mAh, so 340 mAh, so that is also good. And in addition to that, talking more about it is not like a fitness band or like a normal like what to say, a normal smartwatch. Here it comes with new features, but it is also available in other smartwatches. But the key main thing is its price, so that is the main thing. So first, before talking about its price, I will just say its primary specs. It has all kind of things like fitness, like running, or else calories burning, your heart rate, whereas sedimentaries, reminders. It can be connected to Android or iOS. It has Bluetooth, all available, all basic things, all are available. So the final thing why I have told this in this video is basically its price. So here the price they have divided into two variants depending upon the the smartwatch leather or silicon band. So the silicon band is basically around like 4,000, whereas your leather comes around like 4,500. So this is a good affordable price in the market when compared to other top brands which will be so high. So the main thing like an extra thing is the company is giving a flat discount of 1,000 rupees if you just pre-order this smartwatch with paying just 500 rupees. Suppose if you're taking like silicon band for 500 rupees by making a pre-order, then the total cost will be only 3,000. So rest you have to pay only 2,500. So that is also so good. So you'll be getting a smartwatch for 3,000 rupees. So please note, it is not a fitness band, it is a smartwatch. So it is noise fit. So please, if you're interested, pre-order by the link which I'll put in the description. If you want, just go to all the specs, and they are giving deliveries as well, but due to coronavirus there might be some issues, but you can order it right now. So by like booking it right now. So this is the main thing. These products, both the products has been launched very recently. So why I made this video is basically these products has been launched recently, but there is no awareness like these are the products, like these types of things for the people to know about it. That is the basic thing why I made this video. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.